my lovelies, it's Jo here, and it's time for another Bootlego video. So I think this one originally was Lego Ideas kit. Paddy randomly found it when he was searching through the Lepin seller's site, and I love birds. So he has three little lovely birds. So we've got a robin, there's a blue jay, and there's a little Mexican hummingbird. And I'm quite excited to build these. They look really like detailed and beautiful. I don't know how long they're going to take me to build. This is what I'm dealing with. I hope they're numbered. Let's get to building. So here's the first one. This is the robin. You've probably been able to tell from this video I've got pretty frustrated with this build. There's a bit in the middle that won't go together, hence his head's not on properly because I just can't get it to go on. And there was also a bit of a malformed brick, so we've used a bit of blue tack to try and keep it together. I'm not overly keen on the fact that this moves dead easily. It's not very stable. But Paddy's just explained to me that this was one of the very first sets of Lego Ideas, so they were obviously made as mocks and then not tinkered with very much. So obviously that's meant that they're not perfect. He is still pretty cute, the detail's lovely. I've just found it really frustrating and I've nearly thrown it at the wall a couple of times. So let's get on to the next one and hope it goes together a bit easier. Fingers crossed. So here's our beautiful blue jay. I'm pleased to announce that one was much easier to put together. And no dodgy bricks so that it wouldn't go together. The only thing I don't like, again, is the fact that these move way too easily. Like, obviously if they're on a shelf they'll be fine, but they're definitely objects just to look at as opposed to play with, because this is just really wobbly. But he's beautiful. He's got a bit of articulation in his wings. He can sit up as well. These are all kind of on little clips, so you can move them a little tiny bit. But he's beautiful. He's my favourite one so far. So on to the last one, which is our hummingbird. So there we go, that's our last one, our beautiful hummingbird. It is cute. I was a little bit confused by this one because I thought the underside of the wing would be the top, but it's the other way around. But it is really cute though. These are lovely and detailed. I am absolutely gutted that this robin won't go together properly. I might have to get Paddy to see if he can MacGyver that to see if we can fix it. But they are a beautiful collection, and obviously they make a lovely, if you're into birds, they make a lovely display piece. They're definitely not to be played with. They are very, very, very delicate. But they are beautiful. My favourite, I definitely think, is the blue jay. I think that's got the most detail in it, although I do love this hummingbird as well. And I would love the robin if it went together properly. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more Bootlego Lepin videos, then please come back and have a look, because we have quite a lot on this channel. And we'll see you again very soon. Bye!